Sleepy English Academy.
Title: The Weight of Choices. I remember the first time I realized that adulthood doesn't come with a manual. It doesn't arrive with a clear set of instructions or a checklist of what to do when things start to fall apart. No, adulthood sneaks up quietly, like a fog. One moment, you're planning your weekend with friends, and the next, you're sitting alone in your apartment, staring at bills and wondering if you chose the right path. My name is Daniel Carter. I'm 38 years old. And this is the story of how I lost everything, only to find myself. I used to work in marketing. Not the creative, exciting kind you see in movies. No, mine was data-driven, strategic, structured. I was good at it. In fact, I had just been promoted to director of brand strategy at a major firm in Chicago. My office had a view of the lake. I wore tailored suits. I knew how to talk the talk. But something felt hollow. Every morning, I'd wake up with this tightness in my chest, this silent question whispering in my ear, "Is this it?" I ignored it for years. At home, things were no better. My wife, Emily, and I had been married for 10 years. She's a school counselor, warm, thoughtful, grounded. But somewhere along the way, we stopped talking. Not in the dramatic, angry kind of way. No yelling, no slamming doors. Just silence. Like two satellites drifting farther apart in orbit, speaking in polite updates and practical plans. Groceries, bills, her mother's birthday. We had tried to have children once. Twice, actually. But life has a way of teaching you what it's not willing to give. After the second miscarriage, Emily changed. I didn't know how to help her. So I buried myself in work. Then came the pitch. It was a Thursday morning. I'd been working for weeks on a campaign for a new client, a pharmaceutical company. The money they were offering was enormous. My team and I had created a proposal that would push their newest product aggressively. The product was technically legal, approved by the FDA. But there were side effects, serious ones.
Subscribe for more videos. Your support helps me create more content. Thanks for watching.